How to play Call of Duty Mobile on PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, we will learn how we can play Call of Duty Mobile on our PC using the Android emulator. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, in order to play Android games on PCs such as Call of Duty Mobile and so on, you need the help of an Android emulator. And in this case, I'm simply using the Bluestacks application. I'll make sure to drop a direct download link down in the description box so you can download Bluestacks and then actually install it as well. The installation process is also pretty simple. If I do it and include it in this video, it is going to be a pretty long process, so which is why I'm going to skip it. Now, after I've launched and installed the BlueStacks emulator application, I'm going to simply open it and I'll show you how you can download Call of Duty Mobile. Now, once you open it up, first of all, you want to make sure to sign into your Google account just like you're on Android. I'll just put this in the full screen mode. I'll choose the Google Play option, and first I'll choose the option called Open Google Play. Now it will open a Google Play Store on my PC as well. Now as you do that, it says, you can see it says starting BlueStacks, so we're going to simply wait until this process is also complete as well. Now keep in mind that Call of Duty also has an official game on PC, but this is just to play Call of Duty Mobile on PC, not only Call of Duty game. After you've launched the Google Play Store, make sure you're signed into your Google account as I said earlier, and now you can see the search box just like you were on an Android phone. Now what you can do is right in the search box, you can just search for an application or the game called Call of Duty Mobile. So just go ahead and search for Call of Duty Mobile and then click on it. You'll be able to see the very first application on the list, which says Call of Duty Mobile Season 11. Now, the name could be a little bit different because by the time you're downloading it, you also want to make sure you have enough storage on your PC in order to download this. So you can see 2.5 gigabytes, and now you can just click on the install button. Now, after you've installed it and then actually downloaded and installed the application, you'll be able to successfully play it without any lags or issues, depending upon the specs of your own computer. If your computer has a strong graphics card and you'll be able to render things easily, then you can play it without lag. But if you have a slow PC, then I wouldn't really recommend this option. Hope this video helps you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Now if you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.